In this video, you'll learn how to use split screen on your Pixel 6. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to multitask effectively with two applications open at the same time. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 6 and ensuring that the apps you wish to use are already open in the background. To access the recent apps menu, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger in place. This action reveals all currently running applications, allowing you to scroll through the list to find the app you want to use in split screen. Once you have located the desired app, tap the app icon located to the top of its preview card in the recent apps menu. This will bring up a menu with various options. From this menu, select the split screen option. The app you selected will now move to the top half of the screen, indicating that it is ready for split screen use. At this point, you will need to choose a second app for the bottom half of the screen. Scroll through your recent apps or select another app from your app drawer. Tap on the second app to complete the split screen setup. You will now be able to view and interact with both apps simultaneously, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. To adjust the size of the two apps, simply drag the divider that appears between them. This allows you to allocate more space to the app that you are currently using the most, improving your productivity. When you're finished using split screen, you can exit this mode by dragging the divider all the way up or down, which will close one app and return the other to full screen. Alternatively, you can also return to the home screen to exit split screen mode. Your Pixel 6 will revert to its normal operation and you can continue using your device as usual without the split screen functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.